We're continuing to monitor a severe weather threat that will linger through the rest of the night, it does appear, but we are still seeing that flash flooding that we've seen throughout the night. That is continuing through till about 12:30 in the morning. That's when a flash flood warning for Lee County, for southern Lee County, and far southern DeKalb County is in effect until, and again, about 12:30 tonight, as we're continuing to see those showers lingering in those areas. But we are also watching another round of thunderstorms beginning to develop across northern Iowa. You can see just to the south of Waterloo here. That is severe warning. That is a severe thunderstorm warning just to the south of Waterloo. Also seeing some additional storms, sub-severe storms popping up between Waterloo and Davenport right now. That will be our focus for our next round of thunderstorms that could bring us some strong winds and heavy rainfall. So let's take a look at future track. And you'll notice that these thunderstorms, they begin to pop up and they begin to slowly move their way into our area. You can see really growing in intensity here between midnight and 3 o'clock. And you'll notice with these, now this is what radar could look like. This isn't exactly what radar will look like at 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, but just know that we do have the potential for very heavy downpours and rumbles of thunder throughout the night. Also could see some spots of some brief gusty winds as well. These will continue to move off to the east towards about after sunrise, though. They do begin to weaken, but we are still seeing some widespread rain showers across the area towards tomorrow morning. So our severe weather threats for the rest of the day, I think flooding rainfall is your biggest threat across the area between now and sunrise tomorrow. Could still see those damaging wind gusts. Hail a bit less of a threat, but I suppose in the largest storms, the strongest of storms, could also see some hail with those. Tonight we get down to 55 degrees as we still see those scattered thunderstorms moving through, but rain showers become more widespread. Thunderstorms linger early in the morning on Monday, but the showers linger throughout the day. That will keep our temperatures in the upper 60s just for tomorrow. A little bit of a breeze out of the north and east, about 20 miles per hour, but it's going to be that cloud cover that keeps us pretty cool for tomorrow. But then so let's time out those chances here on future track. You'll see still widespread rain across in the morning hours. Towards noon though, and then afterwards we begin to dry things out. Can't rule out a possibility of a heavier shower later in the early morning, or in the early afternoon, I should say. But as we dry things out towards the evening, we should be drying out for much of the week ahead, as we see in our 7-day forecast. We see plenty of sunshine on Tuesday, and then we warm up into the middle 70s, and we keep warming after that. We warm up to the upper 70s by Thursday, but similar to this week, we begin to see rain chances as we hit the 80s. And in your most accurate 10-day forecast, you'll notice that those storm chances do linger for a little bit towards this time next week, Sam.